The dreadful coronavirus pandemic made its worst impact on oil market. On Monday, a grim situation was playing out in the oil market as crude oil prices had fallen below zero on Monday, April 21, for the first time in history. US benchmark West Texas Intermediate WTI for May delivery ended trading at negative $37.63 a barrel ahead of closing future contracts. This happened because of the lockdown, as the demand for oil has collapsed. Because of the lockdown, oil demand has been cut by up to a third worldwide, has turned the US oil market on its head. Even the deal announced between OPEC and its peers to cut production by about 10 million barrels per day from May didn't make any impact on the storage capacity at Cushing, Oklahoma. Well, WTI contract's delivery point is Cushing, a city in Oklahoma, which is also known as the pipeline crossroads of the world. It created panic among traders who were still holding derivative contracts. These derivative contracts get settled with physical delivery of crude oil. But on Monday, WTI created panic among traders who were still holding derivative contracts, who found themselves with nowhere to put the oil. So now this negative price indicates three factors. Number 1, lower demand of oil among consumers because of lockdown. Number 2, oil producers ran out of space to store the oversupply of crude. And number 3, sellers or oil producers are actually paying buyers to take deliveries so that the buyers can take the oil off sellers' hands. Now, how much India will be affected because of this? Well, in India, you won't see much impact because of WTI panic, as India's oil supply is not dependent on WTI. Instead, it is dependent on Brent crude. That is why this negative price will not have much impact on India. But still, it is important to know how the price of crude oil affects India. India is one of the biggest importers of crude oil, and 85% of India's consumption met through imports. So if the price of crude oil falls, this definitely benefits India. Because of this, rupee gets stronger against dollar. Inflation comes under control. Balance of trade also gets decreased, and of course the prices of oil get decreased in local market. And do you know, if there is a reduction in the price of crude oil by $1, then price of products like petrol gets decreased by 50 paisa. Similarly, if the price of crude oil gets increased by $1, then the price of petrol and diesel gets increased by 50 paisa. Now this situation is not there in India currently, but for the time being, India is not affected with WTI panic. But let's see how the fear on oil market, which has been created because of the pandemic, will get overcome.